Making money has never been easier because now you can make money online by simply watching videos on YouTube. You can make more money than ever with this brand new free-to-use website that is available in any country in the world. Before we start, I'd like to introduce you to our channel. Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we provide strategies and ideas to help you reach financial independence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment below or press the notification bell to be notified anytime we release a new video. With all of that said, let's get started on this new technique. We will start by signing up for this new and free website and go watch some videos from YouTube. That's all there is to it. You can get paid by simply watching YouTube videos. It's that simple. If you want to know how to watch videos on YouTube, you must first have a YouTube account. If you don't have a YouTube account, you must go to youtube.com and create a free account. In the top right corner, click Sign In button and you will find the Create Account button. Click that button and type in your first and last name, your email address, and a strong password. Now you have created your YouTube account. I can show you how to make money and make the most out of the platform, so make sure to stick with me through the whole video until the end. The next thing you should know is how you will be paid. People often make the mistake of going straight to one of the many sites that pay people to do different tasks when they want to make money online. Don't worry, because we've got you covered. Here, we present to you the online payment service, PayPal. PayPal is one of the best ways to collect your money because it's easy to use and available everywhere. Before we begin, we must first visit paypal.com and press the sign up button. Signing up is easy and you can do it in less than 5 minutes. Now that you have what you need, let us move to Picoworkers.com. Picoworkers is a marketplace where entrepreneurs and freelancers can find simple, low-cost jobs to do. Picoworkers is a website that can help you in many ways. If you need a part-time gig, a way to increase your earnings, or just want to make some extra cash online by watching videos for a small fee, Picoworkers can help. When you visit their website, you'll be taken to a page where you can view information about the average daily and hourly earnings of the site's users, which are the workers who earn money online. In this section, you can see the most up-to-date results and accomplishments of the people working on their most recently finished task. People from all over the world use the service to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Some people only make a few dollars, $100 or $500. People even make $1,000 here, which is pretty incredible. On this website, you can see all of the proof of payments. They have different ways to pay, and this is how much has been cashed out so far. You can also see the most recent withdrawal requests in the Freelance and Earn section. They have a lot of ways to pay, and this is how much people have cashed out. You can look at all of the proof of payments right here on this page. You may already know that this isn't going to make you rich, but I want to keep in mind that it wouldn't replace your regular job either. It's just a side job that you can do to make more money right now. You are now in the Freelance and Earn section. In that section, you will see a sign-up link. I want you to click that link and create a free account so you can start earning money. You will need to enter your real name, a valid email address, a password, and a username. You can also pick your country from a list of all the places where they let people sign up. After signing up, you can check out the appearance of your new freelancer profile by logging in. Your potential earnings are displayed on the right side of the page as you browse through the available jobs. Please change the section's category to video marketing and then hit the Apply Now button. It'll show you all the jobs that are currently available. There are many projects you can do and get paid for. Even something as simple as watching a YouTube video at home while getting paid is an option. Before we move on to the next part, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you have enjoyed the video so far. Back to the video. You might be asking, how does it work? It's simple. Just click on any job listed here. Because this is a new account, you would need to provide some personal information. On the left, you must enter your date of birth and the city where you live. Below, you must enter a security question and the answer to save. Now you can see how much you'll be paid by watching the video. Here are the things that employees must do. First, go to youtube.com and use the keyword to search. Do not copy it, you must type it. Third, use this image to find the video. If you use a search filter like newly uploaded or any other, you won't get paid. Fourth, watch the video for at least 9 minutes without skipping. If you don't, you won't get paid. You can make money online by turning off the sound in the video so you don't have to watch it all. However, since there aren't many jobs that require you to watch videos for free, you probably won't get rich doing it. If you want the best outcomes, however, you should also do other jobs or tasks to earn more money and free Picoworkers. You can get paid to like Facebook posts on this micro job site. Signing up for a free platform and clicking a button will get you paid. Simply going online and looking at the webpage will be enough. In other words, all you have to do is click the link and you'll earn money. It's true that the pay is low, but I believe it is fair for the hard work involved. If you're thinking of starting an online side business, put your Picoworkers earning towards something you believe will grow in value over time. You can sign up for as many websites as you like with just your email address, first name and last name, and there are thousands of other jobs you can do. You can sit for a few hours and do hundreds of these tasks, and the earnings will add up fast. It's probably that you've noticed that some of the people on this page are already making thousands of dollars. So I hope you found recently how to make money online by simply watching videos. Now that you've learned about this site, what do you think? Do you think this is a great way to make money online? Would you say that it has the potential to replace our jobs as our main source of income in the future? You can share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell to keep you updated on future videos on this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.